Hello.
Good morning,
Morning, all
ma'am.
of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Okay.
morning, ma'am.
All of you can hear me, no? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, I think many were present in the previous class also. Huh? I
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
your name. Hmm? Okay. Yes, Adilakshmi, are you okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Idihya T. Binoy. She is present today. Idihya. I didn't see her. Hmm? Okay, she's not getting. Okay, fine. Yesterday we studied one more average, isn't it? We were discussing about averages. What was the average we discussed? Two averages we discussed already, isn't it? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Two averages we discussed, and one of the average Karthik Vinod told previous day. What was it, Karthik? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
What was the average you told? What is mode? Isn't it? What is mode? We were discussing about averages. First one was arithmetic mean, isn't it?
Yes.
Arithmetic mean. Second one is mode. So what is arithmetic mean? What is mode? What is mode? Can you tell me?
The
Karthik,
yes, ma'am.
tell me. What is mode?
The I know.
You know, what is it? Tell me in your words.
The highest common, no, the highest number,
Which is
highest number of
highest data, which is
present in a line.
repeated. Okay, present in a data. Okay, the highest, the not highest, the mostly repeated observation.
Yes.
Isn't it? Most
Yes,
repeated
ma'am.
observation is known as
Observation
the mode.
Mode.
Okay. Now, so I think some problems also were done with that.
Yes,
Now, today, and what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean.
Sum
Alvin,
of
can you
all
answer? Alvin?
observation.
Hello? Alvin? What is arithmetic mean? Yeah.
Ma'am.
Hmm. Louder, louder. I cannot hear you. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean.
I forgot.
I forgot. Okay. Renan, can you answer? Renan. What is arithmetic mean?
Observation, number of observation,
Once more.
sum of all observation,
Yes.
number of observation.
Sum of all observations divided by number of observations.
Yes.
Isn't it? That is known as arithmetic mean.
Arithmetic mean.
Now we studied mode also. Mode is the mostly repeated, most
Mostly
often
repeated observation in a data.
repeated observation in a
Mostly
data.
repeated
Now
observation in
third
a
one,
data.
what we are going to study is median.
Median mean. Median mean.
Dian. Median. What is meant by median? Median, when you arrange a data in ascending order or in descending order, the middlemost
Ma'am,
observation,
medium.
median,
No, ma'am,
I-A-N,
the meaning. Ma'am, the meaning.
middlemost observation,
Okay, ma'am.
when a data is arranged in ascending order or descending order. That is called median. We are going to study that. Okay. So this is we are studying three averages. That is first one,
Arithmetic mean.
Arithmetic mean,
second one,
mode mean,
mode,
and
then
median mean.
Median.
And median mean.
median. Okay. So we'll see what it is. What is mode? Mode, you just read it.
Set,
The mode
the
of a
mode
set
is of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most
most
often.
often. Most often. This is the definition given in the text. Okay. What is it? The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. That is mostly repeated observation in a data. That is called mode. Next one, median. When a given data is
Data is arranged in
ascending or descending order, then the middlemost observation
is
is
the median of the data.
the data. For example, I'll show you an example. 1 minute. Suppose the data given is like this: 20, 20, 22, 23, 24, and 21, 27, 25. Okay. So we have how many? Seven numbers in the data. Find the median. Find the median. No need to write this. I am just showing an example. Okay. Find the median of the data. Find median. So what we will do is, we will just arrange in ascending order. Okay. Ascending order or in descending order, no problem. Ascending order. We will
20,
arrange in
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27.
25 and
24,
27.
then 25, isn't it? Then 27, isn't it? So now, after arranging in ascending order, you just take the middlemost number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which is the middlemost number?
23.
23.
So 23 will be the median. So we'll write median is equal to 23.
23.
23. Suppose the two numbers, suppose only here how many numbers are there? 7 numbers are there, isn't it? 7 numbers in the data. If it is only 6, what we will do is, we will take the middle 2 observations that I'll tell you. Okay. Then I'll give another data and then explain to you. We'll take both and take its average. Okay. That we will discuss later. So now you understand, if a data is given, to find median, first you have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Then take the middlemost observation. That means the middle means exactly the middle one. The left side and right side should have equal number of observations. That is called the middle one, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is known as the median. Now we'll go back to the.
Show that
Yes.
median.
Yes.
Can you show the side of median?
Definition. Not that.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we want to write in our notes.
That I'll send it to you. This one I'll send. Okay. Today's notes I'll send it. See the mode we discussed. The next one was median. Now did you understand the meaning of what is median? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello? Okay. Now next is, we are going to find the median. Mode and median. Just check this question. The scores in questions I'll send it to you. Just look at the screen and write down the answer. Okay, no need to write down the question. Write down the answer only in your rough book. Answer it. See, the scores in mathematics test out of 25, 15 students is as follows. Scores in mathematics test of how many students are there? 15 students is as follows. You can't see. Okay. Now you can see, no? 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 12, 16, 25, 20, 24 and 12. Okay. Find the, and 12 and 20 also is there. Okay. Don't forget 120 is there. Then only it comes 15, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 20 is there. Okay. Don't forget to take that 20. also. Then find the mode and median of the data. Are they same? You have to find out and check it. Do it now. Find out the mode first, then you find out the median.
Okay, ma'am.
Mode you can directly easily find out. Then median,
20.
median you have to
10.
yeah, find out.
10.
Mod is 20.
Find. Okay, first find out. After that, we'll check for the answer whether it is correct or not.
20.
Ma'am, mod is 20 and median is 10.
Median is 10. 15. It is, isn't it? 15. So it is odd number. You can take the middlemost observation.
15.
Middlemost observation you can take. Okay. What about others? All of you finished answering?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you all finish answering? Okay.
But there are 15 numbers now, so how to arrange that? Then how will we get
15 odd number. No middlemost number you can take. Middle number you take. Arrange in ascending order first. After that only go for selecting the middle one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the problem. Every time what the students will do, they'll take the data and take the middle one. Then it is wrong. Arrange it in ascending order first. Then you can take the middlemost number.
Ma'am, no, I'm not asking that. There are 15 numbers now. So the middle one will be 2. 2 middle numbers will be there now.
15.
That's what I'm asking.
15.
Students now. It's an odd number. Asking that the
You check. Do it. First you arrange in ascending order and try to get equal numbers on both sides. Check. $14 means 7 and 7 equal division is there. Then middle one will come, no? 15 means. Even number only we have to do in another way. Only odd numbers you can take the middle one, no? So which one is coming? Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is the middle one? 20, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That is how you select the median. Did you understand?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt now?
No, ma'am.
First one, mode you understood. Mode
Yes.
here, 20 occurs more frequently, isn't it? 20 is occurring 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So
Yes.
we can say mode is
20.
Then median is the middle observation when we arrange it in ascending order. So we arrange the data in ascending order. We get like this. So
20.
see the arrangement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 are there. So
Yes.
7 here, this side, left
7.
side, and 7 on right side. 1, 2, 3,
40.
4, 5, 6, 7 on right side. Which comes in the middle? 20.
20.
So median is the middle observation, 20 is the median. So one more question was asked, whether the mode and median is same or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
mode and median is the same for this data. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is it. So you have found mode and median of the data. Now next one. This one you try. The runs scored in a cricket match by the players is as follows. 16, 15, 120, 100. Find the mean, median and mode. Mean also you have to find. Okay. Mean also you have to find out. Find out the answer.
Mod is 15.
We'll check. You do your answer. Okay. After that we can check. how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are there. So you can find out the middle one. Finished, children? Anybody finished? Seven C. Today Adi Lakshmi is present. Aaron Relix is present.
Ma'am,
Yes, Afreen is
got
there.
the
Ahmad Afridi present today.
Aaron is absent.
Aaron.
Aaron is present.
Aaron I saw now. 2208. Ahmad Afridi. I didn't see. Aidihya Tibinoy is there today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Yes, good. Agash?
Present, ma'am.
Albin Sibi?
Ma'am, mode and medium both are the same.
Okay. Alvin, okay, we'll check the answer. We'll check the answer. We'll check the answer. Okay, just take this. Yeah, this question. The runs scored in a cricket match by players is as follows: 16, 15, 120. This was the data given, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the we arrange the data in ascending order. We get it like this, ascending order. Now, what is the mode? Mode is 15.
Mode is
15.
15. Now, what is median? Median is the middlemost observation. Again, I think 15 is the median. Did you get 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Median is 15. Then find out the mean, arithmetic mean, add and divide by 11.
39.
You got 39, all of you?
Yes,
Okay. Those who
39.
didn't get, you got answer? Good. Okay, so you understood how to find arithmetic mean, median and mode, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let me see when the one more problem is there. Okay, one more problem we can do. After that, I'll tell you one special type of median. The weights of 15 students of a class are like this. Find the mode and
Ma'am.
median of this data. Yes?
Ma'am, Afridi is saying he is present.
Okay. Okay. Find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Just find out the answer. Okay, Afridi, you are present today? Afridi, I'll take the... Check. No response is there. Okay. Afridi is there. Albin Sibi, yes. Amrita is there. Anna Binu, Ashwin. Ashwin also I saw. Ashwin. Yeah. Ashwin P. Sunil, I didn't see. Aisha Hida was there. Who's Hiba? Please switch on the video. I want to see you doing. Baja is there. Daniel is not there. Dio is not there. Effins, are you present? Effins, I didn't see today. Effins, okay, let me check. Effins.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
doing? Okay, you're getting the answer, Rehan King. Emmanuel?
Asher is present.
Emmanuel.
Ma'am, present.
Okay, Gauri Priya? Gobika Aram is there. Gauri Priya is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Gobika C. Kumar. Gobika RM is
Ma'am,
present.
Asher is saying Asher is present.
Gobika Shankar is present. Gaudam Krishna. I'm not seeing these people now. Why? Gaudam? Hello. Gaudam, are you present now? No. What? Hashir? Hashir is always present with hat. Huh? Hat on your head. Hiba is there. Jonal? Jonal? Hello? Jonal? Okay. Karthik is present. Mohammad Hishan. Hishan. Hishan is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond fast so that I can write. Nagul I saw today. Nagul. Nakul. Nakul, are you present? Ah, yes. Nakul Nazrin? Nazrin Fatima? Nazrin, I didn't see. Nazrin. Switch on the video, children. I cannot see you. Hello? Switch on the video. I want to see whether you are doing the problem or not. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Nihan Salim? No. Niva Sadish? Niva? No. Noor? Nihan Salim is there. Noor Al Haya? Parvati Rinon is present. Shahaban? Shahaban. I didn't see Shahaban today. Hello? Shahaban? Shahan Nasir? Wazim is there. Shahan Nasir? No. Sneha Soni? Sneha and all very rarely entering. Sneha. Okay. Shreya is Menon. Shreya, I saw today.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yes, Wasim is present. Some are absent today. Okay, did you get the answer, children? Huh? Hello, let us check the answer. What is it? Okay, see the weights of 15 students. Weights of 15 students of a class are 38, 40, 42, 35 and all. The data is given. Find the mode and median of this data. We arrange the data in ascending order. When you ascending order, you arrange in the ascending order, we get the data like this. Okay, like this. Now what is the mode here? See, there is mode because here how many times it is occurring? 38 is occurring 1, 2, 3 times, isn't it? Again 1, 2, 3 times 43 is also occurring. So mode is both 38 and
43.
43.
so mode we can take as 38 and
38 and 43.
okay. What is the median? Median is the
Median 40. Median 40.
middlemost observation. When you arrange in ascending order, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 this side and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that side. 15, no? So middlemost observation
40.
will be the 8th observation, isn't it? 7. Here, this side, left side 7, right side 7. The middlemost observation is 40 after arranging in ascending order. So median is 40. Next is mean, isn't it? What is asked? Mean is not asked. Okay. Is there? Okay, that's all. Isn't it? So mean and mode only asked here. So that is the answer. Then next one, no. So did you all understand what is mean, median and mode, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you understood? And I think you have one more period today, no? One more
Yes.
period is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll explain. One another type of median. Yes, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
I'll
in the
explain.
last question, there was question 25.
25.
Not question number 25.
Ah,
25 was there in that last question number.
this question. This one.
25
25
was
is not. Now 125 is here. That,
only in the answer.
what is the question?
The weight in kg of 15.
125. I think
There is
25. That is 35. I think, not 25. The mistake. This 35. It is 30. I think there is a mistake in this. No, you are not 25. It is 32, 35. It comes like that. 32. Did you get like that? Isn't it?
Yes.
32, 35. Not 25. It's printing mistake. 32 first. Then comes 35. Okay. Then
30.
36, 37, like that. Okay, just wait, I'll correct it and give you. Okay. Okay, that was the question. No? Next one, next question we are going to answer is this one. I'll show that. By that we can wind up today's this period. Then we'll take the remaining. Next topic is double bar graph. That during next period we'll take. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just try to find the median. Find the median. Find the median of the data. Find the median of the data. 4, 6, 8, 5, 9, 10, 2, 1. Find out. So when you arrange in ascending order, what will you get? First 1,
1,
2,
2,
then
4, 6,
6,
8, no, 5,
5.
5,
Oh, sorry. 5 is there.
6,
1 minute.
8,
5, 6. No?
8,
5,
ma'am.
6.
9, 10.
5 after 5, 6.
8.
5, 6. 4, 5. Then 6. Then 7 is not there. 8 is there.
8,
Then
9,
9 is
9,
there.
9,
Then 10 is there. 10.
10.
Isn't it? So, how many observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 observations we have written. Okay. So, where is the median of this? 8 means it is an even number, isn't it? 8 is an even number. So if you divide equally, here 4 will come, here also 4 will come. Middle value we cannot find, isn't it? Huh? So what we do is we take the middlemost two values. So we can divide this 3 here and 3 here. What is the middlemost of the 1, 2, 4, 5, 6,
5 and
8, 9, 10. So we take 3 here and 3 here. Okay. Then we'll take the middlemost observation. 2 observations are there.
5 and 6, 5 and 5 and 6.
This 5 and 6. And we add it. Add 5 and 6. Okay. Add 5 and 6 and
11,
divide by 2. Divide by 2 because 2 observations are there, no? So divide by 2. Actually, we are finding the mean of the middlemost
Remove 2
observation.
numbers.
Okay. So what is it? 11 by 2. You will get
5,
5.5.
5.
5.5, isn't it?
Yes.
Divide 11 by 2. What is the answer?
5.5.
Answer is
5.5.
5.5. So median will be 5.5.
Ma'am,
Did you understand?
ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, in like this question, find the median of the data. First,
Yes.
we have to
Arrange
arrange
in ascending order.
it, and we have to
We
find
have
the
to find the middlemost two observations. Check.
Then we have to divide it.
Divide by 2
Yes.
only. Divide by 2.
2.
Because only two divide by 2 only. Okay. Because
Okay,
only
ma'am.
2 are coming
Okay,
in the middle, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once more?
Repeat the question once more. Find the median of the data.
Data.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'll do it again. I'll write again. Erase all. Yes. So this now we have studied. If we want to find the median of the data, first arrange it in ascending order.
Order.
Then take the
Find the
middlemost number.
number.
Okay. That is applicable only when the number of data is odd. If the number of data is odd, like 7, 9,
Yeah.
or 21, 11, 15, 17, like that, we'll get the exactly middlemost value. But if it is 8,
Even number.
even numbers, when even number
We
of
have to-
observations come, like 6 observations, 8 observations are there, we
You have
cannot
to take
find
the
middlemost
two
value,
values.
isn't it?
You have to take
That is
the middlemost.
This is one
value.
example of that type. This is one example of that type. So the data given is this: 4, 6, 8, 5, 9,
9,
and 2, 1.
2,
Now
1.
we'll write in
One.
ascending order.
1,
Yeah.
2,
4,
Order.
5, 6, 8, 9,
10.
4, 6,
10.
sorry.
Ma'am,
8
5 is also there.
5 is there. Then
6,
6, then
8,
8,
9, 10.
9 and 10.
10. Isn't it? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
10.
We have 4 plus 4, 8 observations are there.
Eight
So we'll take,
Yes, ma'am.
comes in middle 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it?
Four.
Which
Yes,
comes in the
ma'am.
middle, this 2.
Yes.
Isn't it?
So
Yeah.
5 plus 6 by 2. 5 plus 6
Here
by
3 is
2.
there, here 3 is there. Equally divided both sides. 3 is there, here 3 is there. Isn't it?
Yes.
So middlemost observation
Ma'am.
is 5 and
5
6.
plus 6 by 2.
Take
5 plus
plus
6 by 2.
divided
By
by
2.
2.
By
6
2.
divided by
11 by
2.
2.
11
by 2.
11 by 2.
By 2.
5.5.
5 points.
So median will
5.5.
be, median will
Will
be
be
5 point.
5.5.
5.
5.5.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So when odd number comes,
Ma'am.
simply find the middlemost value after arranging in the ascending order or descending order. But if the number of observations is even, how to find? First arrange in ascending order.
Order.
Middlemost two observations
Take the middlemost
and find its mean.
value.
And find its mean. Isn't it? Actually, we are finding it the mean, right? Adding and dividing by 2, right?
Ma'am, in this question, one is odd number and one is even number.
That you don't mind. I'm talking about number of observations only, odd or even. Okay. I'm talking about only the number of observations. Okay. Before you were doing number of observations was 15, 7, etc. Here it is. Now see the number of observations. It is 8.
Yes.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 observations. Okay. In that case, if the number of observation is even, then do in this way.
Divided by.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I think it's time to wind up. Other class students are entering. So see you in the next period. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, 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 ma'am.
Okay. Thank you all. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.